Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of free Traffic Tsunami. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. You're getting powerful AI software that implements this strategy for you. Besides the done-for-you software, you're also getting the jam-packed action guide, which shows you a step-by-step system to put yourself inside the answers these AI tools give. A totally legal, ethical way to piggyback off billion-dollar AI platforms, and send their users to your affiliate links. How one properly done can get you tons of pre-sold traffic. How to train this new free AI tool to be your 24/7 affiliate rep, course promoter, and lead collector. How can one public doc can bring you more traffic than 100 blog posts. I show you how. How to get paid passively, even if no one ever clicks your link. You also get these advanced strategies. This one underground strategy could become a six-figure done-for-you service for coaches, authors, and influencers. Why even high-level entrepreneurs will pay you to make the AI recognize them, and how to do it in 48 hours or less. Specialist could be the most profitable business of the next decade, and this is how to do it now. The powerful authority strategy you can sell to local businesses, consultants, and info marketers who are still stuck in the old world, and it's so simple. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.